Hello everyone, my name is Li Shen from Zhongji Luyuan Company. Behind me is our self-developed Luyuan 2000 steel cage welding machine. Now let me introduce this product. The equipment in the industry for the first time using turntable radiation support. Axial and radial bearing capacity is greater than 118 tons. Working using DMS transmission, working size is more accurate. The parting tray in the industry for the first time to adopt the rear sport mode, easier maintenance, more silent operation. The single round steel rod of the distribution tray is designed with chrome plating on the surface for longer service life and easy disassembly and maintenance. Both sides of the material rack are designed to prevent raw materials from invading the machine. For the reinforcement, especially at the auxiliary roller, one person can easily penetrate more than 40 mm steel bars.